Modern applications are complex in nature. To make things simple, they are designed and implemented as microservices, distributed systems, and serverless applications. Amazon Web Services (AWS) encourages customers to build and develop applications using the principles of decoupling. Decoupling enables you to break a complex system into a much more independent, easy to manage, smaller components or applications. Such decoupling design principles require the independent components communicated efficiently so that the entire system works seamlessly. Application integration on AWS is a suite of services that enable communication between decoupled components within microservices, distributed systems, and serverless applications. You don't need to refactor your entire architecture to benefit. Decoupling applications at any scale can reduce the impact of changes, making it easier to update and faster to release new features. Amazon Web Services (AWS) offers more than half a dozen application integration services, including Amazon SQS, Amazon SNS, and Amazon Event Bridge. All these services are designed to support a diverse set of workloads running in the cloud.